Next question. ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle 8C. Prove that AB square equal to 2AC square. Okay. First let's draw ABC isosceles triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. Okay. Right angle at C. This angle equal to C. This is the triangle ABC, right angle at C. Angle C equal to 90 degrees. Here we need to prove AB square equal to 2 into AC square. To prove AB square equal to 2AC square. Okay. See this figure. This is the isosceles right angle triangle. Right angle at C. Okay. AB is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is something big value. Okay. Hypotenuse. Length of the hypotenuse is something big compared to other two sides. Okay. So AC equal to BC. Why? This is the isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangles, two sides are equal. So here AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Okay. Here applying Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem applicable only for right angle triangles. Okay. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse square AB square equal to side square plus side square. AB square plus AC square. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. AB square equal to AB equal to AC. In place of AB we can write AC. AC square plus AC square, which is equal to 2AC square. AB square equal to 2AC square. Here we need to prove AB square equal to 2AC square. Both are same. Hence proved. Next question. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC equal to BC. If AB square equal to 2AC square, prove that ABC is a right triangle. Okay, here we have to prove ABC. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Okay, here given ABC is an isosceles triangle. We know isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Okay, let's draw isosceles triangle. This is the isosceles triangle ABC. Okay, here AC equal to BC. Two sides are equal, and given relation AB square equal to 2AC square. 2AC square. Here we need to prove triangle ABC is a right triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay. Given relation AB square equal to 2 into AC square. 2AC square. 2ac square, we can write ac square plus ac square. Okay, here given ac equal to bc, ac equal to bc. This is the given data. In place of ac we can write bc, bc square plus ac square. Therefore ab square equal to bc square plus ac square. Okay, this is the Pythagoras theorem. The square of the one side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay, in triangle, square of one side is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. This is the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem only applicable for right angle triangle. Okay, so triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Therefore triangle ABC is a right angle isosceles triangle. Is a right triangle. Right angle at C. Okay, here angle equal to 90 degrees. Hypotenuse square, AB square equal to side square, AC square plus side square, BC square. Is it clear? Therefore triangle ABC is a isosceles right angle triangle.